So here is my new receiver from Denon. It's a 7.2 channel 4K Ultra HD AV receiver with Wi-Fi brand with Wi-Fi HEOS. AVR-X3400H 7.2 channel, full 4K Ultra HD receiver with Wi-Fi and HEOS. This will be good. So we should open the box, take out the receiver. This, like here. So here it is. Denon quick start guide, read me first. This is one thing. Yeah, here it's this. It's for radio, I think. This yeah, safety instruction, microphone from calibrating, for calibrating this, sound calibration. So now here it's for electricity. This receiver, there, yes, it is here. I will lift it out now. Put it on the table. Here it is, a massive receiver from Denon. Heavy, full quality. See behind here you have this for Wi-Fi, two of them, and you have front speaker, center, surround, back, surround, left, blah 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 blah. You have all this newest HDMI here, 4K, Hey DCP22 is the newest. This one, that's important. All this is the new HDMI 4K HDCP 2.2. You have so many in. Massive receiver from Denon. I had Denon before and it's a very good brand, Japanese brand, top receiver. So here in front too you have HDMI setup microphone here, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision. So it will be fantastic to begin to set up this new receiver. I should take a little look on this, how to use, connect. It will be interesting to see a little bit, take a little bit look. Welcome to the HEOS family and song and room, because in this receiver you can have speakers, so you can have music in different room. When you sit, and if some in the family see TV, movie, you can play music in another room. So it's many things. Like, I will not use it now, but you can do it because it's built in this receiver. Read me first. And here it's in English, Deutsch, French, Italiano, Espanol, Netherlands, Swedish, Polski. Yeah. Quick start guide. I can see it in English or Swedish, is good enough for me. On is the internet, but I don't use that. I use this without connecting. That's the whole thing. It's there for these two antennas there. You can connect without. That's cool. And then you take your HDMI from TV with a HDMI cable. You turn on TV. Here it's my new Denon receiver. And I update firmware now. I calibrate my speaker. And it's two antennas back there now, and I connect them to my Wi-Fi internet. So now it's ready for streaming music soon and see some movies. I use 7 speakers and 2 sub. 7 2. Denon is very good product. I had it before. On this product I have 6 years warranty. 6 years, it's extremely much. Normal you get 2 years warranty. So from today I have 6-year warranty, and that's a good reason to buy Denon.